Hey beautiful people, welcome again to Sari's Kitchen. So on today's recipe I want to show you on how to make mandazi. Kindly watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any step. For this recipe you'll need some 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of milk powder, but that's optional. Then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, but you can add more if you wish. After that you're going to mix all the dry ingredients well so that they can be well combined. You can also choose to add cinnamon powder if you want your mandazi to have that cinnamon flavor. After that you're going to add 50 grams of margarine or 1 large scoop of margarine. Then you're going to mix until the mixture is crumbly. Your mixture should be crumbly as shown in this video. After that you're going to add in some warm water gradually, mix to form a nice dough. You'll then knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. After that you're going to cut it into 5 equal portions. Then you're going to roll out the dough so that you can cut it into mandazi shape, triangle mandazi shapes. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section. You're going to fry in the mandazi until they are nicely golden brown as shown in this video. After that you're going to repeat the process of frying. Make sure you fry under medium heat so that they can cook nicely on the inside. After done frying all the mandazi, you are going to remove them from the heat and let them cool before serving. As you can see from the video, our mandazi turned out so well. They look so delicious and soft. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so, and don't forget to give this video a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn how to make their mandazi at home. Until next time, bye bye.